So let's say that you really want to learn about Grafana, but you don't want to install anything yet. You don't want to set up a new data source, or you don't want to configure things because you're not even sure what you're looking at. You just want to click around. And you know what? That's fair. Well, you're in luck because this is what Grafana Play is all about. Grafana Play is our public sandbox environment where you can learn, explore, and experiment with Grafana. There's no setup, there's no login, which means there is no pressure. You can just go to play, pick a dashboard, and start clicking things around. The best way to learn Grafana is to see how real dashboards are built. In Play, you can browse different dashboards, open a panel, you can jump into edit mode and look behind the scenes. You can go ahead and check the query and see how the visualization is created. You can explore the data, the transformations that it's using, the different visualization options, and all the little choices that turn your raw data into something more visual. Play is also where Grafana gets more awesome because yes, you can find real-world observability examples. But you'll also find dashboards for use cases that you absolutely did not expect, like Doom, running inside Grafana. And before you ask, no, this is not just a meme. You can actually play Doom inside Grafana because Grafana isn't just for monitoring servers. It's a canvas for visualizing almost anything, even a demon-filled video game. Grafana Play also celebrates the community. We feature dashboards created by community members to showcase their amazing work, ideas, and creativity. Every month, we spotlight a Grafana contributor because Play is not just about the dashboards. It's also about the people building, sharing, and teaching in public. Grafana Play shows you what's possible. Grafana Cloud is where you make it yours. When you're ready, look for the Grafana Cloud banners around Play to sign up for a free Grafana Cloud account. Then start connecting your own data, build your own dashboards, and start monitoring what actually matters to you. Until then, open Grafana Play, find a dashboard, figure out how it works, and use it as your first step towards building something of your own.